Welcome to this special edition BIOSHOCK 2 game unboxing professional. Professional. BIOSHOCK 2. Professional. Slightly used. Never opened by me though, so it's new. BIOSHOCK 2. Let's get started. Oh, there's my cat. She hit her head on that bottle. Okay. Oh, fancy. What do you guys see? What do you think that? I think that's a butterfly. What do you guys see? Tell me what you see in the comments. Okay. Fancy. Oh. Okay. What is this? Okay. The official BIOSHOCK score. BIOSHOCK 2 Special Edition. BIOSHOCK. Focus. I am Rapture. Rapture is me. Oh, look at all those focuses. Oh, almost had it. There we go. Oh. Well, there is quite a few songs in here. Get out of the box. Get out of the box. Okay, here's the game. Okay, game. We'll go to the game last. What is this? Let's find out. Let's find out what this is. Oh, yeah, it's cute. I'm gonna roll that back up after we're done with it. Oh. I'm having the hardest time right now. Oh, one. There it is. Is that it's a poster. Hang it up on the wall with my other. Oh, there's a lot of posters in here, guys. There's a lot of posters in here. A lot of propaganda. Paving the future. Andrew Ryan. Look. Hey, guys. Just a guy standing on the road. Okay. What is it? Oh, there's two here, I think. No, just one. Okay, ready, guys? Rapture. The best and the brightest. Look at that. That is nice. Okay. What is this? Oh. Here we go, guys. To tomorrow's promise, kept today. Rapture. Those are nice. Look at that. Okay. Let me just roll these back up. Where's it? There is that. These are very nice. I'm gonna hang those up when they get nice and flat at some point in my life. I'm probably not. I'm selling this game tomorrow for $25. I spent $20 on it. I think that was a good investment on my part. Like, for real. I'm gonna keep the shit too. Whichever the score. Okay. We'll set that up. Okay. Well, was there anything underneath here? Or? I did not get everything that I was supposed to get. This is an embarrassing unboxing. This is in this section right here, right there. There's supposed to be some books, like This is what it was supposed to look like. I was supposed to get the Deco Devolution, a CD, Sounds from the Lighthouse. Yeah. Oh, she found a toy. What are you doing, Fatty? Huh? Yeah? Huh? What was that? What is that? What? Oh, yeah, put it down. Is it stuck on your paw? You idiot. Oh. We're just gonna watch her for a second, guys. And gals. I didn't want that anyway. It's better if you can get more use out of it than I can. Yeah, it's on your paw. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, she lost it. Get it. Oh, hype. Okay. Here's my game, the game, okay. BIOSHOCK 2. BIOSHOCK 2. Okay. Well, that's the end of this unboxing. If you like the video, like and subscribe from. Oh wait a second, guys. This is not done yet. Okay, got to make this look very nice. Okay. If you like the video and you like the channel, then you'll like the channel somewhere. Okay, yeah, but if you like the video, you'll like don't mind my room. You'll like the channel. Subscribe. Like and subscribe and comments and such, and there'll be more to come. Soon I'll be doing game uploads, like of me actually playing games, not in low quality. So yeah. See you guys later when I find something else to unbox. Bye.